Yo, what is good, family? We back at it with some more angry grandma joints. I'm gonna do a lot more different stuff this year. The kind of I'm not gonna stop doing the 600 pound life stuff, but I do want to actually react to a lot of other stuff as well. Um, I did watch that Cat Williams interview, and I'm gonna speak my 2 cents in another time. Um, Cause I was gonna do a reaction to it, but then it was like 2 hours. And honestly, I haven't finished it fully, so I'm gonna finish it fully, and then I'm gonna speak my thoughts on it. So yeah, man, we gonna do a dirty ringtone prank on grandma real quick, man. All right, let's jump straight into it, y'all.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say, ow!
Shut the hell up, Jake. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my fucking YouTube channel, where you will see Bigfoot hunting videos.
Granny, what's that next to your foot?
Bigfoot shit. He must be close. And you'll also be seeing Neighborhood Watch videos.
Granny, how much longer are we gonna be on Neighborhood Watch?
Until we catch that damn dog that's been shitting in my yard.
And last but not least, you will be seeing videos of me pranking the angry grandma. Hey, Granny, come here!
Oh, you fucking asshole! I ain't gonna fucking sit here and let you shit on me. You motherfucker. I'm gonna go have a fucking cigarette.
Y'all need to do a cartoon for real. It would be fucking hilarious. I really believe it. It would be hilarious.
Come on, Gran, it's cold!
Son of a bitch, turn on a minute. The fucking lighter look like.
Granny, I'm freezing!
I'm trying!
You just had it lit.
There, you got it lit.
I got it lit, finally. That fucking wind kept blowing it out. Son of a bitch. That means that we gotta walk all the way down there to go the fuck in. Son of a bitch!
Oh!
Watch where you going, asshole. Know why the fuck I got one side open and ain't got the other one open. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch.
Where they at, yo? She going in already. Yo, I ain't gonna front. It's like if somebody don't get that cigarette in, they liable to bust your ass in there because they ain't got no cigarette, yo. I'm telling you.
What damn time is it?
I think it's about 3 o'clock.
It ain't no fucking 3 o'clock. If it was 3 o'clock, I'd be knocked out. Shit. Son of a bitch. We're still gonna have to walk all the way around there. Motherfucker.
Alright, come on now with that, man. On the damn music.
Oh, fuck. I think somebody's shitting that damn thing.
Oh, that's
The
Kroger's.
winds ain't killing that. You son of a bitch. You changed my fucking ringtone to that damn shit. The hell you didn't, cause I sure the fuck didn't, cause I don't know how to change.
I need to go. Oh shit, I gotta catch my breath.
You son of a bitch. You changed my fucking ringtone to that damn shit. The hell you didn't, cause I sure the fuck didn't, cause I don't know how to change the damn thing.
Oh my god.
The fuck you didn't. You had my phone at the house and that's what the hell you done, you motherfucker. You gonna change this motherfucker back. I ain't going no place and somebody called me, and it's listen to that fucking stupid fucking shit.
Yo.
You're taking that motherfucker back. I'm telling you that right now. Yeah. Fuck you. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm over here crying, laughing, man. I can't with these two. It's been a minute since I seen these videos, man. All right, I'm gonna stop pausing it. All right. Oh my god. Whew. Oh my god.
What the hell am I supposed to do with that fucking shirt? Don't put nothing. Put this in my cart one more time, and that's what you're going to get. You're going to get it wrapped right around your fucking head. $6 for that damn caution sign? What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Nobody got that kind of fucking money to buy something that damn stupid. What would the fuck would they want to have with a damn cautious sign? 20% off.
Oh my god, yo, my fucking
Wonder
stomach
how
and
much
head
those
hurt.
fuckers are. They should have a fucking price on them someplace.
That one in your cart's pretty nice.
They ain't. I'll. Motherfucker. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. Son of a bitch. See if I can get this goddamn thing out. You wait. I keep putting that goddamn thing back up in there. You stupid ass motherfucker. I wanted to look at these fucking curtains, but can I look at them? Hell no, I can't look at them for your fucking eyes. Son of a bitch. That wasn't
Yo.
blue.
Let me get some money every time she cuss. Oh man, I have at least $500-600 right now.
That was. Do it again, I done told you. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you. Put it. I'll give you the one more thing in this motherfucking cart, and I'm telling you, I'll leave. I'll walk the fuck out.
You wanted a new purse.
What the fuck? Oh, well.
Nigga, a perk.
That ain't no fucking purse, you
For the
stupid
whole
ice. That's the last thing that I put up for your fucking stupid ice that you got down.
No.
Who's gonna pay $90 for that anyway? I sure the fuck ain't.
Damn, that shit $90.
That put you in the mind of Bigfoot's ice.
What?
Bigfoot's ice. It's probably like that. Look at that.
Wow.
Motherfucker. Who in the hell? That's soft. That's nice. But who in the hell would want a rug like that?
Maybe a whole lot of people.
Hello? 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 Motherfucker. What in the fuck's that phone doing there if ain't nobody on the motherfucker? Supposed to say call for help. There ain't nobody on the damn thing. Son of a bitch. Oh, you stupid ice motherfucker. Stupid. Mother. I told you, didn't I? I can't get that back up there.
Yo.
Mobile
They
games
already
are
got
going
my head
big.
hurting laughing at them,
Free
bro.
Fire Max is now available.
You motherfucking good, you stupid ass motherfucker. Now look at that. It ain't in the right fucking place. They got it. What the fuck? Get the fuck away from me.
I gotta
Let's
buy
get
me
these
one of them.
little fucking things.
Yeah, I gotta buy me one of them. I like my bed comfortable and warm, damn it. And you got yourself a beautiful piece of female. She like the sheets and the stuff warm. Keep herself warm. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
$27.
Hey.
Who in the hell's gonna pay $27
Shout out to
for them little motherfuckers to be tore up and thrown away. Stupid. Fuck. Stupid. $39 for this damn thing.
Yeah, it's Power Rangers.
Power Ranger my ass. What's it supposed to do any fucking way?
Them are the trash Power Rangers. We had the original good ones. Even though I watched them nowadays, I was like, yeah, the nowadays, like, that shit was ass. But back in the day, Power Rangers was lit. Even with the guy with the Wayne Brady lineup, the black dude, he had the Wayne Brady lineup, would just go over like that, man. Half a circle lineup, man. That's all we had, man. Even the pink Power Ranger I thought was thick. I see her now, I'm like, man, that girl had flapjacks. There's nothing wrong with flapjacks, though. I had some good flapjacks back in my day. Well, not back in my day. I've had some good flapjacks. Shut up, Dan. Talk too much.
It ain't even doing a damn thing.
That's it.
Yeah, fuck that shit. I can't even get it hung back up, fuck it. What in the hell's that bucket doing there in the hallway? Motherfucker.
You can't go that way.
Somebody's been pissing in it. They've been pissing in that bucket. Somebody's been pissing in it. Well, I guess I'd have to sit down on it to take a piss, and I can't get that low.
Please
Son
don't.
of a bitch.
Please don't.
This is what you need. You can put me, I can get in that, you can hook it up to your moped and take, we can go for rides.
Yeah, we could do some wheelies.
You'd wheelie back on my ass. I know what you'd do, because you couldn't do no wheelie with that on the damn back of it with me. You fucker. Ah, damn. Oh, son of a... I'm telling you.
That shit
Oh,
loud.
motherfucker.
That shit loud, too.
What are you doing, Gran?
Tried to turn this motherfucker off. Stupid fuck. I don't even know what I got it on now, I must say. You leave it. What? What'd he say? We better go get her. We better go get her stuff and get the fuck out of here. Quiet. Shut up. You changing that motherfucker when we get home.
Imagine if she had a Samsung phone. That shit would be loud as a
I don't know where you get any fucking help around here. There's never nobody at where they're supposed to be. I'll throw it at you. Hello? Fuck you, Jake. Look at that shit. Damn. Motherfucker, wonder how much they asked for that. Right there's probably where Bigfoot lives. Right there, in that damn big tree. That big tree right there, do you see it?
What about it?
That's probably where Bigfoot lives. How the fuck do I get to my westerns? Fucking westerns. How the fuck do I get them?
Well, here's the paper, Gran.
For what?
This tells you all about them.
That don't tell me shit. That's got different shit in it. Motherfucker. I don't see a fucking tablet. I don't see. Oh, I'm telling you.
Yo.
This game, you're not ready for.
Not for no $19. I ain't getting no damn ice paper. You can use your fucking hand. Getting that shit. For that much money, I told you I'd go to the fucking dollar store. Look,
I'm slow as shit. I just had a slow moment. I thought she said ice paper on time. I'm like, ice paper? What, ice paper?
just look all the hell you want to.
We can get cookies.
Want no fucking cookies.
Oh, man.
God, it feels good to sit down for a minute. Son of a bitch.
I played a ringtone.
Oh, motherfucker. Do it to me again. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna turn my fucking phone off. If I know how to turn the damn thing off, I turn it off. I turn it completely off. That motherfucker wouldn't be calling me every few minutes. Oh. What?
You want some pizza sauce?
No, I don't want no damn pizza sauce. And that ain't pizza sauce no way. Those are tomatoes. You need to get one of those buckets and a fucking mop
Why?
to scrub all that damn bird shit on your porch. Get it off your damn porch. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. But that bucket's like worth no, how come they got $10.19 down here for the bucket and $5.99 right there for the bucket? Now you tell me the fucking difference. $16?
Damn, Kroger got
20
all this
bucks?
shit in it?
Who in the hell can get drunk with them prices like that? Fuck, I couldn't even buy half a bottle, let alone a whole one. Tequila? Have you ever drunk tequila? They got it on sale for $9.49. $17 for that bottle. $22.49 for that bottle right there beside of you. Son of a bitch. $18.99 for this. And it says margaritas. You ever had a margarita?
No.
I ain't either. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Me
How
either.
can anybody afford to turn into a drunk with the prices like this? 42 fucking dollars for bourbon. There's bourbon whiskey. It's still $40. $52 for this Tennessee whiskey. Mother.
Tennessee whiskey.
I'll go home and I can get all kinds of that for $10. Buck.
Damn.
Come on, let's go check out.
Really, you can't get that. It's nothing but alcohol.
I'm ready to go to check out.
You can't get all that.
Why in the hell can't I?
Because
Because what?
that's probably like $2,000 worth of alcohol.
Fucking ain't you got the money for it? That does it. I'll pull it back. I'm fucking leaving. I don't give a damn. Let everybody in here hear it. I'm leaving. All right, how are you? Good.
Yo.
Old motherfucker.
Here's one thing you need to do before buying anything
Yo.
online. Don't spend another dime on Amazon until you watch this.
Shut up. I don't want to put no money on Amazon.
Oh, mother. Son of a bitch. Keep going. I hope you keep right on going. I don't give a shit. I want to need some help in just a minute. Can I have some help? I got to do this for credit. And I don't know how to do it on credit. My grandson's card, and I stole it from him. And
She's looking at you like,
so
what the fuck?
$65? Motherfuck. Turn it around.
The chip's right here, Mom.
Oh. See, I told you I don't know. I don't know shit about these.
She looks so weirded out.
I told you, quit calling me. Stupid ice motherfucker. Oh shit about this.
She is so pissed.
Motherfuck. Don't call me no fucking more.
He got a good ass view of her too. Yo. Alright, hold up y'all. Let's get this back in order.
Hey, what's up, you guys?
Oh man, that was funny. That was funny. Like the first couple minutes, I couldn't have did a try not to laugh at this because I'd already been laughing already. This was funny though. I ain't gonna front. I ain't done a video with them in a while. It's been a while since I done a video with them. Yo, let me know down in the comment section. I want me to do more. Yeah, this one had me crying, laughing. I'm low key tired from laughing at this shit. Like my eyes is like, nigga, I'm ready to go to sleep after laughing at this. What time is it anyway? Damn, it's only 5:16. It get dark as shit early. But yeah, these was hilarious. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these. More than likely, if it got like a ringtone prank in it, I'm gonna be definitely watching it. But yo, if y'all liked it, man, make sure y'all smash the like button for your boy. Comment down below what y'all thought of the video. Share the video and subscribe to the channel. And as always, go and pay Angry Grandma some love. Her and Jake, cause they still killing it with the videos. And yeah, man, Happy New Year, man. We're gonna keep this thing consistent, as consistent as possible. So yeah, man. See y'all in the next video, man. Peace, love, blessings. See y'all in the next one.